Affect versus effect. What are their differences? Pag-usapan natin yan. By the way, this is your host, Aaron D. /English teacher /financial advisor. Doon muna tayo sa affect or affect. Okay? Tama yon. Affect can function as a noun and as a verb. Kapag ka verb, affect. Kapag ka noun, affect. Okay? Pero most commonly, we are using the verb one, yung affect. Okay? Which means to act on or change someone or something. Okay, kapag ginamit mo sa sentence, the change will affect everyone. So, as a verb. Yung affect naman, guys, uncommon siya kasi ginagamit siya sa psychology contexts. Okay, meaning, ito yung mga facial expressions, gestures, postures, or vocal intonations that typically accompany an emotion. For example, the patient had a flat affect. So, that's the noun usage, affect. Ngayon naman, on the other hand, punta tayo sa effect. Okay? Effect can also function as a noun and as a verb. Same lang din naman yung meaning nila. Pag sinabi nating effect, no, it's more on the product or the outcome. Okay? Yung effect na verb, ganun din. No? Okay? Effect as a verb. Example, the new administration hopes to effect a peace settlement as a verb. Ngayon naman, nalilito tayo sa affect at saka sa effect na ginagamit natin kapag gusto nating magpakita ng change or ng product. Pero ang tamang gamitin or very common na dapat gamitin ay yung effect. Okay? So, in a sentence, you can say, the weather had an effect on everyone's mood. Okay? Ngayon, to differentiate the two, so pwede nating sabihin na we can say that something that affects a person has an effect on them. Okay?